Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see filtering the data in a data frame based on the condition using filters. Okay, guys, filter concept mostly useful in the ETL side as well as data analysis side. So I'm going to showcase you how do you apply the filter using Python for data analysis. Okay, so guys, here how you can filter a data frame based on the condition using logical operator and or not and comparison in and between in Python. Okay, so filtering with condition using Boolean indexing. First, for example, guys, if you want to do the filter with condition, we have below example, and using Boolean indexing also possible. So by applying Boolean condition, we have to create a Boolean series representing the filtering condition. Use a Boolean series to filter the data frame. It means Boolean value what it is, true or false, right? So right now I'm going to showcase with the example. Here I'm importing the libraries. Panda has PD. Now I'm creating one variable and it contains this is the data set, guys. Name, age, okay, Rahim, Ram, Charlie, John, and this is the age values and these are city values. After after creating a data set, now I'm creating one more variable, pd.data frame, and store the data into this data frame method. Okay, I'm passing as an argument. Now the complete is storing in data frame. Now I have created one more variable. I'm going to call it as a filter. I'm applying the filter by age greater than 25. So df age, the column is greater than 25. Now I'm applying the filter. For example, if you want to apply example alias, or you can take it as okay, Rahim or Ram or Rahim. So you can apply name filter data frame is in Ram and Rahim. Filter df filter df equal to df name filter. Whatever I created, right? I'm just going to printing here. Now filtered data, I'm printing the filtered df. This variable I'm calling. So this is the output we are getting. Okay, if you want to for example, if you want to filter the name filter also, you can filter out this. Okay. So, but right now, the whatever data which are stored here, name filter by name, which is Ram for Rahim, with help of is in, we are going to store in this result. Now I'm printing this result finally. Okay. So this is about the major use case of filtering the data, filtering apply on the data set by applying the greater than symbol on particular columns with help of is in and greater than operator. Now, using query string, construct a query string with a logical operator and column name. For example, query function I have utilized here, age is greater than 15 and city is not equal to New York. I have to apply, multiple conditions also by using logical operator. So with help of and or not equal to, equal to have, not equal to have utilized here with help of this function query age. I'm passing the argument age is greater than 25 and city is not equal to New York. Df filter. So I'm getting this is the resultant database. Okay. So already the data set is stored, right? This is the result data set. I'm calling again, applying the filter. Now filtering with in and between. Using in for multiple values, check if a column value is present in a list of values. Okay, I'm creating, using existing one, filtered data flow, DF city is in Los Angeles, Chicago. Now printing filter data flow. So this is the output we are getting here. I guess this is the same one, guys, which I will, yeah, correct, no, not one. Okay, but if you see, observe same filter name, right? Same one here I'm applying also. Okay. Check if a column present in a list of values. So is in function will help to you. You can check the multiple values, whether it is available or not. So like this, we can print out. Now using between for a range. Check if a column value falls within a specific range. So I'm applying the DFS between 23, 18. So inclusive range, guys. This is now filtered data. Now again, if you see 23, 28, I'm checking between. Okay, 20, 25, 28 we are getting. Okay, between. So this is the way we can do with help of filter Python for data analysis. And here major explanation what I have done. So DF condition uses a Boolean indexing to filter row based on the condition is in check if a value is present in a list of values. Between check if a value falls within a specified range, inclusive by default. You can combine logical operator and or with a method for complex filtering. Choosing the proper approach. Use Boolean indexing for clear and flexible filtering logic. Use the query string for conceive filtering if comfortable with query syntax. Using for checking membership in a list of values. Use between for filtering based on specific value range. If you want to, apply based on this category where you applying the filter, it will help you do analysis easily in the using Python, guys. Additional consideration, you can create a negative condition using like this is the syntax df age between 23, 8. So you have to mention this, by using exporting simple. For complex filtering, consider using lambda function with Boolean indexing. Okay, for effective combining conditions and filtering method, you can effectively extract specific subset of data from a data frame, enabling to focus relevant information for your analysis. Okay, so guys, this is the with the sample code how we can utilize, on the example data set filter concept using Python for data analysis. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel.